Hello everyone, welcome back to our mesmerizing world of chrome nail polish designs by my channel Beauty is Joy Forever. In this captivating video, I invite you to embark on a glamorous journey of artistic expression and luxurious style for your fingertips. Whether you are a nail art lover or a beauty aficionado, seek new ways to elevate your nail game. This video is sure to inspire and delight you. In this video, there is a great ideas about chrome nail designs. So, if you are ready to add a touch of it's stylish and alert to your nails, join me in this enchanting exploration of chrome nail polish designs. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe my channel and ring the notification bell so you would not miss any of our future nail art adventure. Get your nail polish collection ready and let's dive into the fascinating world of chrome nail art together. Embrace the brilliance, embrace the shine, your nails will thank you. In this video, there are many ideas and plethora for breathtaking chrome nail designs that will leave you in awe. Prepare to be enchanted by an era of captivating metallic hues and dazzling reflection that radiate elegance and shine like never before. By this video, there are various creative ideas you can pick and patterns ensuring that you can easily recreate these stunning looks in the comfort of your own home. Not only will you gain inspiration from our featured designs, but we will also encourage you to enlace your creativity and experiment with different color combinations and nail shapes. Nail art is a fascinating way to express your unique personality, and my video aims to empower you to embrace your individual style. Thank you for watching.